Akenya magithagathaga kuhunduka na mucii ukungwiri-ini wa mambura ma thigũkũ ya Christmas na mwaka mweru. Munene wa borithi Douglas Kanja ni athiete na mbere kurutira mukana matereba aria megukorwo mari barabara-ini thigũkũ ino wa kurumira mawatho ma barabara uria kwagiriire. Akiaria riria ekuruguragia mathomo ma makurutu 523 thukuru-ini wa mathomo ma borithi wa Kiganjo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, Kanja augite ona maabitha aria marari rutha ni marikitie gucoka wira-ini itemi-ini ria gutigira bururi ni mugitire wega Akenya magikuruhania na mambura.
One life lost is one too many. We don't want to lose Kenyans, especially on our roads. And at this juncture, I would like to advise our drivers, all those who are driving along, on our roads, to drive carefully.
No ahithuritie ati maabitha aria megukorwo makinyitania na rũhonge rwa igoti mabarabara-ini kung'ethania na aria marauna mawatho na njira ya kumahe faini cia hau ni mambiriirie wira itemi-ini ria kunyihia mitino iria yambiriirie kumira.
We are going to have courts actually distributed into several areas along the major arteries of roads in the Republic of Kenya, so that we can actually be able to deal with all those, who are going against the regulations, traffic regulations, instantly, to act as a deterrent.
Makurutu 10,000 aria meriga kuoyo meguthoma mieri 9 mangigakinya kuhumbwo thumbi. Kanja akiuga gikundi giki nikio gikurehe uthio mweru wa ruhonge rwa borithi, mathomo mao magikuruhania njira cia kung'ethania na wikinae wa kiriu na uria wa nenda-ini na makiria kunyihia mwanya uria ukoragwo ho gatagati ka borithi na muingi.
You will be dealing with Gen Z, you will be dealing with artificial intelligence, you will be dealing with social media. Those are the things that we expect you to navigate very fast and understand.
Yours is not just about the job. You have a responsibility to be part of the change. You are joining the National Police Service in the middle of reforms. So you are joining us as reformist police officers.
Ando-ini ha Inooro TV kuma thuku-ini wa mathomo ma borithi wa Kiganjo kaunti-ini ya Nyeri, Njĩta Kamau wa Mwangi.